Welcome back to my channel and thank you for joining me for this special alert. I'm here to announce a new series I'm working on and have been working on. I've been working very hard on this series. I have been working tirelessly on this series, and literally this has been an every single day thing. This has not just been like I filmed one video and now I'm like bullcrapping through it. This has been one of those series I've literally been working on it for about 2 weeks now, filming every single day. Guys, keep in mind I do have a job, so it's been a lot, but I'm just so happy to do this series. This series excites me, and without further ado, I'm just gonna announce the series. I bring to you the Disney Princess series. The very first video in the installment will go live tomorrow at 2:30 p.m. and I'm not doing like every princess in a video. This is, each princess has their own video. I have drawn from the cartoons, which means I'm going old school OG Disney princesses, y'all. And we are even working on Mulan, Elsa, Anna, Moana. So it's not just like Belle, Cinderella, Aurora, Pocahontas. That's it. Wham, bam, call it a day. Even the newer princesses. And I've drawn from the movies. I've rewatched the movies. There have been certain characters that I've pulled from the character themselves, and there have been certain princesses where I've pulled from certain scenes, and then there are some princesses where I'm just like, I feel you, girl, I feel you, so I'm gonna do my makeup how I would if I was in your everyday shoes. And this is a costume Disney princess. No, these are wearable Disney princess looks. I have been wearing them every day for 2 weeks. So I have worked very hard. I hope you guys enjoy this series as much as I am enjoying filming it, because I'm not done. Okay, so while I am not done filming this series yet, I have already started planning another series. This particular series has just filled me with so much motivation and inspiration. So I'm already planning a second series to follow this. I'm not even kidding, y'all. This is a thing now. So I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. I hope y'all enjoy this series as much as I have enjoyed creating it. And make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of these videos. And I will see you tomorrow at 2:30.